Hi, Wellness Warriors. I'm Melissa with Mental Muscle Wellness, and today we're going to talk about column breathing. I have a blog post up about what exactly column breathing is, and I'll leave the link down in the description box for you so that you can read it. But basically, it is a visualization technique where we use the individual vertebrae in our spinal column to help us with some concentrated breath work. I find that it's a really great, simple technique to use for longer meditation practices. So if you're looking for something for 10 or 15 minutes or even longer to do, it's a really great visualization to keep you engaged in meditation. I also find that it's a really handy thing to do if you just need a 1 or 2 minute quick break in the middle of your day. You just need to take 5 and kind of remind yourself what you need and take a few minutes to just breathe. It's a really easy technique for that too. So the purposes of the video today are not actually a video, it's more of a guided meditation. So if you're watching on a desktop computer, you don't actually need to be looking at your monitor. And if you're watching me on a phone or a tablet, you can actually set it down somewhere next to you and just listen to my voice. So the first thing that you want to do is find a comfortable position. That can be either sitting or laying down. If it's more comfortable to you to be laying down and you're able to do so wherever you are, feel free to take that option. And you can do this laying either on your back or on your belly. If you're seated, you can sit on the floor. That's perfectly acceptable, or in a chair if you find that more comfortable. Once you're in your preferred position, take a minute and get the wiggles out. Essentially, that's just allowing your body to settle so that it's truly comfortable. So take a minute and scratch an itch if you have to, or notice any pressure points that you might have and try and even them out, and just make sure that wherever you are, whatever position that you're in, you are truly able to sort of be calm and still in that position. Once you've done that, go ahead and bring your focus to your breath. And what I want you to do here is just to notice your breath. Notice how it flows in and out of your body, through your mouth or your nose. Notice the rise and fall of your chest and your abdomen with each inhale or exhale. And take a breath cycle or two and just get comfortable with that. From there, bring your attention and your focus down to the lower portion of your spine at the base, in between your hip bones. You can close your eyes and picture it visually if you want to, whether it's your own body or maybe a diagram from an old health book that you remember. But once your attention is firmly focused at the base of your spine, on your next inhale, imagine that as the air flows into your lungs, it also flows into your spine, specifically each vertebrae. And as it fills up the vertebrae down at the base of your spine, it spills over up into the next vertebrae, and then up into the next vertebrae after that, and so on, all the way up through your chest, through your neck, all the way to the base of your skull. And then reverse the process as you exhale. As you exhale and the breath leaves your body, imagine that you're exhaling out each vertebrae, and the breath slowly walks down your spine, one vertebrae at a time. As you get more comfortable with the visualization, try and lengthen and deepen your inhales and your exhales. So take a much longer inhale, maybe pausing a little bit at each vertebrae, noticing how it feels to fill your body almost to the brim with air. And then again, reverse the process. Exhale and release. Again, maybe pause at each vertebrae and think about how it feels to release any tension in your body as the air exits the vertebrae and exits your lungs. Continue that visualization. Inhale, fill your lungs and fill your vertebrae one at a time. Exhale and release. Allow the air to slowly drain from your spinal column and out of your lungs. After 2 or 3 breaths, you can bring your attention back to just your simple breath. Notice it flowing in and out of your nose and your mouth. Notice it filling your chest and your abdomen. And then notice it emptying. When you're ready, open your eyes and start to slowly bring your awareness back to the surroundings that you're currently in. I hope you found this guided meditation helpful. And again, you can use it as a simple 1 or 2 minute break during your everyday life, or you can use the visualization for a longer meditation if you find that that's helpful. Until next time, be well, friends.